So I'm gonna be cleaning my white shoe. Daughter too, so you see the difference. This is mine and this is hers. And a soft brush, old brush, soap, baking soda, and vim and sponge. So this one is for here. After soaking it in a good scrub, that's the result. You can see the difference. So a little comparison. So here's the difference of the scrubbed and unscrubbed yet. So I'm soaking my shoelace with some bleach and warm water. So I don't want to remove the shoelaces. It's difficult to put it back. It's broken. So that's the difference. This one I'm not gonna wash it, but I'm just going to buff those ones using toothbrush. This is a suede material, so I'm just buffing it with a soft bristled toothbrush. So I removed the sole of this because I use it during winter and I need to wear thick socks. And yeah, that's that. Then cleaning it with I also have the Suede Vija. I'll be just using the soft bristle with the sieve. This is cream color, so it's not white. And then buffing it with dry cloth. Sometimes I use wet, damp cloth. So yeah. So yeah, that's how I clean the suede part. So it's quite wet, it's not too dry, but it's clean enough for me. So with my shoes, this is all leather, and then I'm just going to buff this one. So I'm gonna be using a sponge. This is quite used sponge, not the hard bristles. So I put too much. So yeah, just that. And same thing with the other shoes. So that's good enough. So here's the shoes outside drying up under the sun, but we still have a snow here in Calgary.